Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can collaborate on a sheet with other in real time. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and we're going to collaborate on this sheet. So the first thing we're going to do is click on share button right here. Then you can type the account that you want to add to your Google Sheets. And for example, I'm just going to ask collaboration to this account. So I'm just going to add this account to the Google Sheets and we can click on send. And right after we click on send, the account will get notification on Gmail and that account should open that Google Sheets to collaborate with me. So I'm going to open my another account. Wait guys. All right, and this is my another account that I have just shared a Google Sheets and I'm going to open it. Then this is my first account that share this Google Sheets and we can start collaborating in this Google Sheets in a real time. Alright guys, and that's how we can collaborate on a sheets with other in a real time. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.